Hello everyone, just want to tell you about my recent purchase on Amazon. Got this humidifier a couple days ago, so that's almost like 6 days when I bought it, so I think I'm ready with a review for you. So let me just tell you a couple things. I really like it because it has a screen, so that's easy for you to see what you're changing, how does it work. That's pretty cool that it doesn't have like buttons, but it has like a touch screen, so you can just touch it easily and change whatever you want, or even you can use the remote. That's gonna be easier when you already like laying in the bed, because I have it in my bedroom, so you don't have to stand up just to press the button, so you can just use this one. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so let me tell you a couple things about buttons and functions. So the mist level, you can control the mist level, so it has 3 of them. The third one is the highest. You can already see like how many moisture is coming out. But my room is pretty small, so I'm using the level 1, the first one, and you can already see the difference. The pretty cool option is timer, especially if you're using your humidifier at the nighttime. You can just set like 12 hours and you just don't have to worry, and you don't have to think that that's gonna work all night. So usually I'm getting up to work, going to work, and I'm not worrying that that's gonna work all day, because he's gonna stop after 12 hours, or you can just choose like 6, whatever you like. And the last function, you can just control the level of humidity in the room, so that's coming up till 90. So it depends how large room you have. As I said before, my room is pretty small, so I'm using it on the first level, so that's gonna be like 20%. Actually, that's pretty easy to use. I'm using it already like the 3rd day. That has 6 liters over here, so you can see that I still have water over here. That comes perfectly when you're using essential oils, especially in the bedtime. That's gonna help you to sleep. Smells pretty cool. Okay, what else? I don't know. I really like it. That comes in a black color. I have a black bed that's fitting in my bedroom. That's pretty cool. So I don't know. I think that's my review gonna help you. So if you wanna make a decision to buy this one, I recommend it. Okay, thank you for your attention.